Hello students, in this video I will teach you chapter number 4 from 3rd unit. It is a poem and the name of the poem is Courage. I will read out the stanzas line by line and explain it to you. I will start with reading and explaining. Please open your books and read along with me. Courage. Courage is the strength to stand up when it's easier to fall down and lose hold. So, in the first two lines, the poet says that courage is the strength that helps us stand up when we are about to fail in life or lose hope. It is the conviction to explore new horizons when it's easier to believe what we've been told. In these two lines, the poet says that it is a strong belief. Courage is a strong belief that makes us explore and take risks in life rather than believing what other people tell us about their experiences. Moving on to the second stanza, courage is the will to shape our world when it's easier to let someone else do it for us. So these two lines mean that courage shapes our future. How? If we have courage, we take our own decisions and not let others decide what is good for us and what is not. It is the recognition that none of us are perfect when it's easier to criticize others and fuss. So these two lines mean that because of courage, we realize that nobody is perfect. Everybody makes mistakes. If we don't have courage, then instead of taking risks, we judge other people and don't appreciate them. Who are the people? We judge other people who are trying and taking risk. Moving on to the third stanza. Courage is the power to step forward and lead. When it's easier to follow the crowd, their pleas resound. These two lines mean that courage gives us the power to take an initiative, a step forward and become a leader rather than following someone else or other people and their orders. It is the spirit that places you on top of the mountain when it's easier to never leave the ground. These two lines mean that courage is the energy that makes you feel like you're on top of the mountain even when you're scared and you think you'll always remain on the ground. So that was the third stanza. Moving on to the fourth one. The foundation of courage is solid, the rock that doesn't roll. Courage is the freedom of our mind, body and soul. This stanza means that courage is solid and powerful. It is a rock or a big stone that does not roll and fall. Courage gives freedom to our mind, body, and soul. In short, courage makes you walk alone for success. You don't need anybody's help. You don't need anybody else's suggestions. You will follow your heart, you will take a risk, and you will move forward. It gives you the power to be fearless, where you're not scared of anything or anybody and experience the ups and downs of life. What are ups and downs? Ups means the good things in life and downs mean the problems that we face in life. So that's it for the poetry. I hope you have understood the meaning. I will give you an example. For example, when coronavirus started and schools were shut down, teachers were scared how will they teach the children and parents were wondering how will the children study and receive education. So we took a risk and we started online studies. We believed in ourselves. Teachers started the hard work of teaching and children also, they took the risk of trying to adjust to this new pattern that we are following. And see, we are successful even though it has been 4 months. We are continuing our studies and not letting this problem hinder our work. Hinder means disturb or stop us from doing something. So how do you think this happened? How do you think this thing was possible? Because the teachers and the school, they were not scared, they were courageous and they took an initiative, they became the leaders and they worked hard. Children and parents, they also took an initiative, they adjusted and they started following this pattern. So you were also courageous when you had started doing this thing, when you thought that you can do it and now everybody is doing it. So this is how you get to overcome the problems in life. You should not give up, you should be fearless. I hope after explaining this example, you have understood the chapter in a better way. In case there is any stanza or any sentence that you did not understand, please feel free to clear your doubts. So that's it for the chapter and the video. Thank you so much for your patience, all of you.